Casio. This watch is a Casio digital sport watch designed for utility and readability, often described in its listing as a multifunction digital timepiece suited to outdoor and everyday use. Typical listed features include a digital time display with world time or multi-time features on some variants, a large easy-to-read face, stopwatch and countdown timer functionality, alarms, LED backlight, and durable resin construction that stands up to rough use. Many buyers note the AE1500 family's robust look and the convenience of features tailored for sports and travel. Users appreciate the clear readout, comfortable strap, and the mix of practical functions without complexity. Reviews on the product page highlight the watch's toughness, value, and straightforward controls. Some customers call it an excellent, better watch for daily wear or outdoor activities because it is inexpensive yet dependable. As with Casio's value digital offerings, a few reviewers mentioned that the AE1500 isn't meant to replace specialized smartwatches or high-end dive instruments, but for timekeeping, alarms and timing tasks, it's a very sensible, budget-friendly option. We share by links in description box.